Hello everyone, this is Sachin Choudhary. This video is for overview of Cloud Analyst tool. Okay, let's start. Cloud Analyst is a tool developed at University of Melbourne whose goal is to support evolution of social networking tool according to geographic distribution of user bases and data centers. In cloud computing, question arises how to deploy the cloud, how many requests are going to come to data center, where will be the most frequent user basis, and what will be the cost of it. For dealing with this problem and having a complete analysis of the cloud computing of an organization, Cloud Analyst is a very useful tool. Today we will see how to download Cloud Analyst tool. Open your browser, do a Google of Cloud Analyst tool download. This link is suitable for download the Cloud Analyst package. Here we can see the link to download it. Just click on this link. The zip file will get downloaded. Close the browser. After extracting the zip file, you will have a folder of the software. Click on the window run image file. The software will get started. Here we can see the world map. This DC stands for data center. Its facility, their centralized organization, ID operation on data storage and its management. This UB stands for user base. It is a group of users sending requests to the data center. The complete world divided into 6 regions. Let's start with configuration. Let's do the configuration. Here we have 3 settings: main configuration, data center configuration, and advanced setting or advanced configuration. Here we can choose the simulation duration. You can add the user bases here. The region can be chosen from here, like 0 stand for Australia. I will add one more. Here we have the option like request per user, data size, peak hour, and etc. We can add the number of data centers from here, but first we need to do configuration. Here we can add the data center, as we can choose the region and architecture, the OS, and etc. As we can, then DC1 has 2 physical hardware units. So we can add the units, also we can copy it and remove it. So we will just add one more data centers from our simplicity. That data center which configure just how we will add it here once again. Here we have service broker policy. What exactly the service broker policy is? When you request for something, it passes through a broker. When the user requests to something, data center, it passes through the broker. It decides where to actually forward it. So your option like closest data centers, optimize response time, and etc. So we have closest data centers. In the advanced setting, we have the simultaneously how many users from a single user base can send request. Here we can choose the value, the number of requests, and the data centers can support. We can choose the load balancing policy from here, like round robin, equally spread current execution load, throttled. We can also add our own policy here. Back to the main configuration. You can save the configuration from later uses on our respective PC. As we can see that we can edit 2 data centers. Click on done. We added 2 data centers and 3 user bases. Let's perform the simulation. Here we can see that the user base is sending request to the data center, and the maximum time, minimum time, and the average time is calculated. We can export the result on PDF form here. Here complete graphical analysis is done of the data centers and user base, and also the cost is calculated from its complete process. We can manipulate the internet characteristics here. We can manipulate the delay metrics and bandwidth metrics. This is exactly how cloud analysis software is run. Hope you like the video. Thank you.